Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Capital Medical Center's 56th Foundation Anniversary Medical Staff Party. This remarkable milestone reflects not only the growth of an institution, but the countless lives touched, healed, and inspired by every member of our medical community. Let us officially begin this memorable evening of recognition, gratitude, and celebration. Happy 56th Anniversary Capital Medical Center!
56 years of healing legacy, caring beyond time. The annual anniversary is always a time to thank and recognize the founders, but it is also a time to recognize and thank the many people who worked with them, who translated the vision, who translated the mission into a reality. Maraming salamat. Your contribution will always be remembered.
For 56 years, this institution has stood as a beacon of healing, service, and hope. This evening, we pay special tribute to our service awardees and senior physicians, whose years of commitment has helped shape the character and reputation of Capital Medical Center. As we celebrate tonight, let us honor our past and look forward with confidence to the future. Together, we will continue to build upon the values that have guided this institution for 56 years: excellence, compassion, and commitment.
Tonight, we pay special tribute to our service awardees. Whether you're being recognized for 25, 30, 35, or even 40 years, your contribution goes beyond the number of years. You have carried forward the values that made Capital Medical Center what it is today. Your loyalty and dedication have become part of the foundation upon which future generations will continue to build.
For 56 years, this hospital has been a refuge for the sick, a source of comfort to families, and a symbol of hope in moments of uncertainty. That legacy deserves our recognition and our gratitude. May this hospital continue to be a beacon of hope, excellence, and compassion for generations to come.
As we look ahead, we recognize the challenges facing healthcare today. Yet we remain confident that our greatest strength is our people, especially our doctors, who continue to place patients at the center of everything we do. Together, we must continue to embrace innovation, strengthen collaboration, improve our systems, and uphold our commitment to delivering the right care right here at the right time. The future of Capital Medical Center depends on our ability to adapt, grow, and continue to build a culture of excellence. With your partnership, we can elevate the standards of care and ensure that Capital remains a trusted institution for generations to come.
This is a tribute to the mentors, to the commitment of the institution, not only to provide service, but to continue propagating, multiplying its talent so that new talents, new skills can be developed. And that is another measure of the success of Capital given its history.
Together, let us continue building a stronger, better, and a more compassionate capital. Maraming salamat po.
History says we have grown. The stories say we have cared. The narrative says we're not finished. To the MDs in this room, your stories continue with your rounds tomorrow. Maraming salamat. Gandang gabi.
May I ask you to raise your glasses and cheers?